Emily Dosdell for We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm excited to share our new craft surfaces with you. No matter the project, you're going to find that our craft surfaces will help make creating and cleanup easier. One of our craft surfaces that I use all the time is the glass cutting mat. It's perfect for mixed media projects, for gluing, cutting, painting, because it's an easy cleanup. It's also large enough that I can create with an entire 12 by 12 sheet and have plenty of room for mixing with my favorite Vicki Boutin art crayons. Next up is our foam mat. This little guy is perfect for poking, piercing, shaping projects. It protects your work surface against scratches and holes, and it's non-skid so your project won't move while you're stitching or working on it. I love to use this for hand stitching and embroidery. It's a great surface to work on. You're gonna love working with this surface. This is our self-healing cutting mat. It's 16 by 22, so there's plenty of room for fabric, for paper, for whatever you need to cut. You can use your rotary trimmer, you can use your craft knife for fussy cutting. It protects your work surface, and it's just a great multi-purpose cover to have when you're crafting. I love to use the sticky gel mat for projects with beads, with gems, or other small bits that roll off of my work surface. It's also great for printmaking. I like to stick it onto a non-stick surface when I work with it. And check out how these little tiny beads just stay exactly where I want them. It's pretty amazing. I've been working on this project here lately for decor in my craft room, and I'm using wood beads, and this is the perfect surface for holding those wood beads right in place. Next up is the paper pad workspace. This is a 16 by 22 surface that's got plenty of room for creating as well as sketching out and writing ideas. You also have metric and standard measurements with the grid, so that makes creating really easy. My favorite way to use it is for stamping, because sometimes I like to extend my stamping just beyond the border of my project, and this way I won't get ink all over my workspace. And then once I've finished, all I need to do is tear it away and dispose of it. This is our non-stick silicone mat. It's heat resistant. It's about 8.5 by 11. It's got metric and standard measurements, and it's non-stick. So it's perfect for working with glue, with paint, even with epoxy resin. That is my favorite way to use it. I like to protect my spin it tool while I'm creating a glitter tumbler. So if you pour your resin on and it happens to drip down onto your mat, let it dry and cure completely, and then you can just peel it right off.